Copper and vitamin C illuminating face mask. Prepare to glow with this copper and vitamin C mask, specifically formulated to actively brighten your skin and enhance luminosity, using a potent blend of Bearberry, Kakadu Plum, and Colloidal Copper. The ingredients in this mask work together to support and repair. A natural source of arbutin, Bearberry helps lighten and brighten the skin, while powerful anti-inflammatory Australian native Emu Apple assists in photoprotection and anti-aging. Packed with more vitamin C than an orange, Kakadu Plum firms the skin and helps fade dark spots and acne scarring, while Colloidal Copper supports collagen and elastin production. So it's a cotton mask, and when you take it out, you can see that you've got a beautiful little message on there. This one is camera ready. It's 100% cotton, so you can just flush this down the toilet when you've finished. There you can see it, and you just put it onto cleansed skin and allow all of those beautiful ingredients to absorb into the skin. There is some extra serum in the bag, so you can take that out and apply it to the mask once it's on your skin. Leave it for 5 to 15 minutes, take off the mask, and massage that serum directly into the skin.